we have a feeling here of maybe feeling second best. Okay, it's creating a sadness or a disconnect for you because somebody's not pouring into your pot in the way that you want. Okay, so it could be that you're not feeling prioritized by your special person, and it's kind of wearing on you to the point where you feel like you're giving it. Well, we've got two kings there, both the pentacles and the wands. So you're giving your all here. You're giving your undivided attention to this person. You are confident in how you feel about this person. You are committed to this person, and you also want this long term. But this person maybe isn't giving you everything that you need to feel secure. So it's not that you are not happy with this person, but you're constantly giving, and you feel as though that person is not necessarily giving you everything. There is an emotional barrier here where you feel like maybe they don't understand you, maybe they don't get you, maybe they are slightly emotionally immature. And they may be great in all other areas because it shows this person has got it together, but they're just not giving enough. So you're in a relationship with this person, and I don't feel as though that's the issue. I feel like the issue is you maybe just don't feel the emotional fulfillment that you need from an individual. You want this person wants you. So it's not about this person not loving you, all of the friends, the family, it's not about, a secret, not enough, but they are just not giving you what you need, and it's becoming overwhelming. Okay, it is becoming overwhelming. Now, there is love there. I've seen that twice. There is love there. But you also may be kind of revisiting something here with this person that you felt in the past. So maybe they are showing you signs of something that you've experienced previously, and it's making you feel like, is this enough? Am I going to end up in the same situation? Is this person ever going to understand what I need as an individual? So it's putting you in the place here of contemplation. You're questioning things because you're not quite having your cup filled in the way that you want. So it might be that financially this person's got you. Security-wise this person's got you. Emotionally they are there, they are present, they love you, they are telling people this. It's not that you doubt their love, but they're just not quite hitting the mark with what you need to fulfill you on an emotional level. And so there is a, can you prioritize me more? This person seems to feel like you're asking too much sometimes, because they feel like you are their whole world, their life, you are everything to them. But we do have this kind of tug of war here. So if you are questioning if this person's going to be enough, the answer is to be strong. Okay, to stay strong in this relationship, because there are changes coming and they are of a positive nature. You maybe need to kind of find your independence again and know that you are more than enough for this person. This person is transitioning into a place where you feel better. Okay, so you take action to take care of your feelings, and this person will follow suit.